What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. As you can see, I'm laying out in my lawn like the lawn care nut, but I'm not laying on nice carpeted Bermuda. What does he have in his yard? Bermuda? No, I'm not laying on grass. I'm laying on actual carpet. And I know y'all wondering, why am I laying on carpet in the middle of my yard? Well, I'm about to change my blades. And I know that leads to even more questions, but guess what? You're gonna have to stay tuned to find out. Yes, sir. Alright people, as you can see, I got carpet in the middle of my yard. This is actually my mat. For those who don't have a nice fancy shop, this is a tip for you guys. If you got an old rug or something you're about to throw out, keep it. You know, I had this carpet. I think my parents gave me this carpet. I even have another piece about equal size. I just cut it off. If y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all probably saw that. But yeah, I just use it so I won't have to lay in the dirt. Even though I have my jungle gym jack that I'm about to use to change my blades, which makes it super easy. Boom. It's always nice not to have to lay in the dirt, especially if it just rained or something. It's not somebody. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my mower off my trailer and we're gonna change some blades. Bam. The jungle jack. For those of you who are not familiar with the jungle jack, it is quite awesome. I think it's around $200. And the reason I love it, you have other ones that's like wide, which is good. It gets both sides of the mower, but this one is more space conscientious. Like if you're trying to store it somewhere in your shed or even put it somewhere on your trailer, it doesn't take up too much space. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set up the camera and I'm gonna show you how you jack this bad boy up. Yes, sir. All right, here we go. So now, as you can see, the gravely it has the caster wheels right there. So you have to kind of pick which side you want to do it on. So I'm gonna go ahead on the right side right here. Once you get it in there, put your foot on here, right here. This is like the push pedal to help you put extra lift on it. Once you do that, you just push it down. It rolls forward, like so. Now, once you get it up, it is pretty secure. But they do have this little safety latch right here. You take this pin out, take this cotter pin out, drop that down, then you lock it into place here. Oh boy. Can't see. Let me go from this way. The carpet's making this a little difficult. Thanks, carpet, messing up my video. Anywho, I gotta move the carpet. But yeah, you just put this cotter pin in. I gotta adjust the carpet to get it. But anywho, that's how you do that. Alright, people. Oh, buddy. As you can see, got my impact gun. It's a electric one. A lot of people pay, you know, a couple $100 for a portable one, which is good, I guess, if you want to change your blades out on the go. I don't really plan on doing that. If I have to change my blades for some odd reason, I'll just come back home, or I'll just use a wrench and a mallet or something. Anywho, but it's just that easy. It's just this easy to take the blades off. Get this bad boy lined up here, and boom. One down. See if I can get this middle one. Usually a little tough because You got the jungle gym jack in the way. But there we go. Number 2. We'll get off number 3, and we're going to throw the new blades on. Another thing is I just love, let me see if I can get a shot of this. There's nothing more that I love more than getting under here to a clean deck. But that's going to change soon once we get some wet days. But this is a nice clean deck right here, bro. Alright, let's see if I can get up under here. Get this bad boy back in the shape. Alright, so I know a lot of people already know how to change blades, so I'm kind of doing a play-by-play for people who don't. Not real familiar with it. First thing you want to make sure is that your blade is the right way. You know, make sure the angle side is down, the pitch side is up, and then what I like to do is I like to make sure I get the thread going first before I even put the impact on. I got it the right way. A lot of different decks or spindles are different, so once I get it the right way, I go ahead and hand screw it. Sometimes I screw it almost all the way up. I just want to make sure I'm not cross threading it or anything like that. Yeah, get it nice. Now we're starting to catch the teeth. There we go. So yeah, you know, if it's not too tough, go ahead and screw it in most of the way, if not all the way. Almost up in there. There we go. Now, hit it with the impact, just to make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, do the same over here. What's going on, guys? Forgot to make an outro to this video, so here it is. Thanks for watching. Right now I'm dealing with another issue. If you can see that, my wheel's off. Yesterday my bearings, well, it finally told me it was out. Apparently it was been going out, so I'm changing that. Luckily I've done this before. I'm all dirty and whatnot, but I've changed it before on my passenger side, so I am going to get this done and get back to work. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. You guys are